In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change currency on Alibaba 2025, step by step. If you shop or source products on Alibaba, switching the display currency makes it easier to compare prices and keep your budget straight. This quick walkthrough will show you exactly where to find the setting, what to click, and what to expect after you make the change so you can browse with confidence in the currency you know best. First, open your browser and go to Alibaba.com. Give the homepage a second to load. Now look toward the top right corner of the page. You should see a small indicator that shows either a currency code like USD or EUR, or a country or region icon. It may appear as a currency abbreviation, a flag, or a globe symbol. That's the control you need. The exact look can vary slightly based on your region and whether you're signed in, but it will always be in that upper right area. Click that currency or country/region indicator to open the settings pop-up. Inside, you'll see options for currency. If the panel shows both region and currency, focus on the currency section. You don't need to change your region just to switch the display currency. Scroll through the list and pick the currency you prefer. Currencies are identified by their standard codes, like USD for US dollars, EUR for euros, GBP for British pounds, or PHP for Philippine pesos. So choose the one that matches how you like to calculate prices. Once you've selected your preferred currency, click Confirm or Save. Alibaba will refresh the page automatically. After the refresh, prices you see across product listings should display in your new currency. This update applies to browsing, searching, and viewing product detail pages, and it should carry across most sections of the site. A quick but important note: this change affects display currency only. It does not replace the actual payment currency used at checkout or in your final invoice. Exchange rates and payment processing are handled separately and may differ from the on-screen estimate. If you're negotiating with a supplier, confirm the currency on the quote and the invoice, and review totals again at checkout to account for any conversion by your payment provider. If you only want to view prices differently, keep your region as is. Changing region can influence language, shipping options, and localized content.